Gatirile ile mmutla le diphologolo tsa naga bogologolo jana matapa a santsa tobetsega. Hello everybody, my name is Kenneth Mipi. I'm in the business of telling stories. I am a director of a comedy series called Batlhalifi. Well, I get so many shows locally, and I realize there is nobody doing comedy, and we have so much talent, the comedian in Botswana. So I came up with an idea, and I then drove the idea into my company, and we came up with an idea about Batlhalifi. You know what? Let's do a comedy series, because all the top comedians mo Botswana ba ileng gore ba re khatla mo Facebook. E re thusela thata in terms of monetary term. Ra go khona go reka new equipment that will be able to help us going forward, le go produce a better quality and better videos for the new television channel. And in terms of unemployment, yeah, because imagine if I'm getting money from you, and I'll be able to employ so many young talent. Kana gona le bana ba rona ba ileng gore ba mo strateng kgotsa mo mekgwateng ba ba tlhokang ditiro, and we are going to be able to play a part in that. And the future is bright.